The seller said it was just a small roof dent, but what we found could have put this buyer in serious danger. The customer really liked this car. The seller explained that something had fallen on the roof, causing a small dent, and said it had already been repaired. Everything sounded normal, but before buying it, the customer booked our inspection. And that's when the real story came out. Our inspection revealed repairs on the A pillar, B pillar, doors, and even the chassis. The front impact was so severe that it had reached the structural parts of the vehicle. You can still see the grinding marks and the areas where the metal was heated during the repair. The repair around the shock absorber apron was done extremely well. At first glance, it almost looks factory original, but when you compare it with the untouched side, the difference becomes obvious. The technicians clearly put a lot of effort into making the repairs look original. Even the inner fender repairs are difficult to spot unless you know exactly where to look. We're not praising the accident repair, but the workmanship was done by someone with experience. Then we checked the interior. The seat stitching showed signs that the airbags had likely been repaired or replaced, and we couldn't confirm whether they had been restored to factory standards. In total, this vehicle had major repairs on the roof, A pillar, B pillar, chassis, shock absorber apron, doors, floor, and running board. Nearly 40% of the vehicle had been repaired after a major accident. Yet it was being sold as just a small roof dent. That's exactly why a professional inspection is so important before buying any used car. Don't buy based on what you're told. Buy based on what you can verify. Book your pre-purchase inspection with us before making your decision.